Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. WhatsApp now has a new feature called Meta AI that will enable us to chat with AI. With Meta AI, you can get answers to any questions that you have while you're actually using your WhatsApp. With Meta AI, you can learn new things while you're actually using your WhatsApp. With Meta AI, you can actually give response to chat, whether it's an individual chat or a group chat. Meta AI will give you suggestions to the best reply that you can give to any chat. So guys, now there are so many things you can do with Meta AI. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually chat with Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to make sure you're using the updated version of WhatsApp. This is a new feature, so you must actually be using the updated version of WhatsApp for you to actually find it on your WhatsApp. So you have to go over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, or go over to your App Store if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device to download and install the updated version of WhatsApp. So guys, once you've done that, then we're good to go. So guys, let me tap on my WhatsApp now to open it. So guys can see my WhatsApp has opened. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on the Meta AI icon. You can see it there being encircled. It's at 3 places. What you have to do now is to tap on any one that you want. So guys, let me tap on this one on my right hand side. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Ask Meta AI anything. So guys, with Meta AI, you can actually get answers to any question that you have while you're actually using your WhatsApp. So guys, let me ask a question right away. So which question am I going to ask now? Let me ask, who is the current president of the United States of America? Let me type it in. Who is the current president of the United States? So guys, now you can see I've typed my question. Who is the current president of the United States? So let me tap on send now. So guys, now you have to wait for a few seconds to get a response from Meta AI. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see it has responded. You can see what is written there. Joe Biden is the 46th and current president of the United States. He was born on November 20th, 1942 in Scranton, Pennsylvania. So guys, now you can see they also give us a reference and a link that we can use to study further. So guys, now you can see this is how you can actually chat with Meta AI. So guys, can also chat with Meta AI while you're actually chatting with individual persons and also on groups. So guys, let me show you guys. Let me tap on one of these group chats right here. So guys, now you can see. Then let me tap on the message place. Then what you have to do now is to type in at Meta AI. Let me type it in at Meta AI. So guys, now you can see the Meta AI feature there. With that, now it can assist you in replying to chats. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually use this new feature Meta AI on WhatsApp to get answers to your question and also to reply to chat. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment so that whenever I release new videos like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.